I'm here at Boston Harvard making a video for the design building right here. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys how to get this cool long exposure photo with your iPhone. Check this out. Open up your camera app and in photo mode, tap on the screen and slide down to bring down the exposure. Make sure the circle icon is on. Then take a handful of shots when the cars are passing by. Edit the photo. Tap on the live button and change it to long exposure. This will give you the light streak you're looking for. If you're not satisfied, there's a second method. Open up video mode and go into time lapse. Put your iPhone on a stand and hit record. Open up the video and scrub it till you find the perfect light streak that you're looking for. Tap on the screen to go full screen, then push the power and volume up button to take a screenshot. Let's edit. Go into adjustments and max out the brilliance. Bring up the shadow and the sharpness. Go into crop. Since you're photographing facing upwards to the building, you can tilt the photo so it's vertically aligned. Now give it a vivid filter and now you have an awesome light streak architect photo straight from your iPhone. Share, follow, and like for more.